and I am from non-IT background student. Jspiders Rajajinagar is a very good platform where we can learn technical and communication skills, and it's a best platform to learn new technologies, and it is the best institute where everyone can join without any doubt. The grooming classes and mocks help me a lot to crack the interview and all, and trainers teaching was very effective so that students can easily know how to do the coding and all. From this, students can easily understand the topics, and HRs and trainers are very supportive and good uh, in nature. And I would like to thank you Keshav sir, Uday sir, Bhuvan sir and Sharik sir, who taught Java, SQL and programming in a very nice and good manner. Thank you so much to all HRs and Jspiders Rajajinagar team. Thank you so much.